Straight Talk About Management, and today I'm going to talk to you about appreciating your customers during Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a great time to show you appreciate the customers who have been supporting you all year. Most people will send cards and thank you notes to their customers during Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's. And that's true, that's good, except that it gets lost with all those other cards that those customers will receive. But most people forget about the most obvious holiday of all, Thanksgiving. It's a great time to show your customers how much you appreciate the support they've been giving you. So sending them a Thanksgiving card, you will be one of only a few that your customers will receive. It will set your card apart. Also, this is also a really good time to give them a special offer for supporting you and incent them to use those incentives during the holidays. That might even help boost your sales. So take advantage of Thanksgiving and your customers will appreciate it too.